Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos, you guys. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button. That was long. Clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, do not forget to hit the notification bell, you guys, and make sure you click all to see all my future uploads. So as you can see from the title and this hair, we are doing a silk press video. I done one on this channel before, but this is my updated one using different tools, using different products. So if you want to see how I got this silk press, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so we are starting off on freshly blown, well, washed hair and then blown out. So I did a review, a first impression video on the Remington Pro straightening brush. So if you have not watched that video, go ahead and watch it. I literally just did it. I also purchased their Remington Pro Professional Pro Ceramic Flat Iron. This is 1 inch. Keep that 1 inch, and it's gonna be kind of like a review as well. I just needed some new what do you call those things? I needed some new heating tool. I need some new tools in my hair kit. That's what it is. So I went ahead and got the straightening brush, and then I went ahead and got a new flat iron. So this one says it's 8 times more ceramic for even consistent heat. It has crushed pearl infused plates with 1 pass straightening. It gets up to 450 degrees salon high heat. It takes 15 seconds to heat up. It has digital controls plus 9 heat settings. Ooh, 9. And it has temperature lock, auto shut off, and it says salon length swivel cord. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so this is what the flat iron looks out the box. It has like this pink plates, things like that. It has your power button, and it has your temperature buttons right there on the side, and it does have the little swivel, and the lock is there on the back. Just neat. How does that work? It says push forward. Oh, okay, whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up, and we're gonna get started. So like always, I'm just going to be doing, I'm gonna do one side on camera. I ain't want to do one section. I ain't gonna do you like that. We're gonna do one side on camera, and I'm gonna do the other one off camera. And I think I'm going, it recommended if you have fine to thin hair, use 300 to 340 degrees. If you have color treated hair, use 360 to 370. If you have texture hair, use 390 to 410. If you have thick and difficult to style hair, why would they say that? 430 to 450 degrees. My hair is colored, and my hair is also textured. So I think I'm gonna just opt for 390 to see what it'll do. But yeah, hang, go now. Oh, okay, so we're gonna let that warm up, and while we let that warm up, the product, it makes a beeping noise. Okay, the product that I'm going to be using, I purchased this Silk Infusion, what is this, like a serum. I purchased this from Sally's. Can't remember how much I paid for it. Y'all, I don't keep my receipts. I am so sorry, but I will find a price for it. But we're gonna be using this. This is the only thing I'm going to be using, and I'm also going to be using this rat tail comb for the chase method. You know, if you see my last silk press, it was a while ago. I like to do the chase method, so let's get it started. You guys, I also have these goodies clips I got from Walmart that I'm going to be using. Lord knows I need it. They're like the crocodile clips or whatever, but I definitely needed that. So I'm gonna try to start in small sections, and I hope y'all can see that. Let's just take the cap off that. So yeah, I'm going to be going about that small. Well, I'm gonna put the serum on this whole section because I don't want it to be too. And I'm just putting about that much and a little bit more. And it's really silky. I've never used Silk Infusion before. This is my first time, so it's a. Oh, it smells so good. I'm just gonna be combing. Okay, now we're gonna section it off. I like to start off with smaller sections because I get a better silk press that way. And then I'm just gonna test it. I try to do one pass, but let's see. Okay, I'm just testing out the heat. So I like to go in like so and go right, and we're gonna go. Oh Lord, I did this since last year. Literally feels like forever. Ooh. Yes. Okay. So I try to do one pass. That's why I try to go in smaller sections, so I won't have to do like 2 passes or anything. But yeah. Alright, so this is what we are looking like right now. I'm tired. My back is killing me. But so far I like what I see. I just really feel like the Remington straightening brush helped me out a lot. Like I feel like I ran through this relatively fast. It's 12:52. I didn't really time it, but I feel like I did this side faster than what I would normally do. I feel like I was just going through it. I did bump my heat up to 430, like right when I got in this section, just to kind of see what it would do. I'm trying to get as close to my roots as possible, but I may not. I don't think I will, because I just don't like that. I'm just scarf like. I may or may not go in with a hot comb like tomorrow, another day or so, but I just probably just wrap it. That normally just works for me, but y'all, it's so like silky. I need a trim, you know. I might do a little trim, but it's really soft. It's very soft. And so, oh yes, but I definitely will say that straightening brush cut time in half for me, because normally it would take me so long to do one side of my head, and I just feel like using these two tools together, and I'm using that Tresemme heat protectant, and I'm using that cheap silk Infusion. I just feel like this is a nice little combo for me to get through straightening, because I really like, I straighten my hair once a year. One, because I don't want to put a lot of heat on my hair. Two, because it takes me forever. I don't have time for it. Okay, I almost changed my mind after blow drying my hair, well, straightening brush my hair. Like I almost changed my mind. I was like, I ain't gonna do it. It's just too much. It's just too much time goes into this. But I'm glad I kept going, because you know this didn't take any time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side of camera, and I'm going to come back and we're gonna wrap it. I was gonna do the saran wrap. We gonna do that in the morning. I am tired. Okay, so let me do this side. We're gonna come back, and then yeah, we're gonna do what it do. Alright, you guys, so it is the next day, literally like the next night, and we're just going to be unwrapping my hair. So this morning I did go in with like some saran wrap, and I wrapped my hair while it's in this state, and I let that sit. I blow dried for about 10 minutes. I sat on a blow dryer, and I got tired of sitting, so I just like used the blow dryer, and then literally forgot that I had the thing on my head. And then later on I did go in with a hot comb to like go over some root areas, as well as I took my flat iron. I just kind of put like loose curls in it, and then I just literally wrapped it back up. So now we're going to just be wrapping everything. Let's see. Okay, so I literally cannot find my rat tail comb right now. I don't even know what I did with it, but I'm gonna try to do a middle part the best I can. I'm trying to use the end of this freaking brush. Oh, it's not gonna work. Let's try. But I look so different when my hair is straight. Like, who the hell is that girl? Like, it looks so weird. But I like middle parts, as you know, with my natural hair, and I like them also with straight hair. Like, I will wear side part though. So yeah. So I really like my silk braids. I really do. At first I was like, it's kind of puffy. It wasn't like puffy, but it was like thick. I was like, okay, maybe it's just my hair being thick. But like that cheese serum, y'all, that straightening brush, the flat iron, like, it just gave me a whole different look, and it gave me a different experience as well, and I really liked it. I was telling my mom about it this morning. I was like, girl, like that straightening brush literally took my silk press to another level. So I'm pretty much gonna wear this, what is it, it's like the 2nd week in January, going on the 3rd week. I'm gonna wear this, I'll try 4 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, I don't know, depending on how I feel. But I'm gonna be doing, the straight hair is gonna be in a couple of videos like the next few months. And yeah, I did try to trim it a little bit last night and it went okay, but this is what we're working with, girl. It's so flowy, it's so lightweight, like it is everything. Who is this girl? Like, I don't even recognize myself. Like, call my man, be like, hello, it's nice to meet you, my name is Aisha. Like but y'all, it just came out so nice. So just expect some videos with this hair. Like, I'm loving it. But I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the back, and it's gonna be the end of the video. Alright, so this is what we're looking like. Y'all, this turned out so nice. But I will see you guys in my next video.